Our country is visited by an average of 20 typhoons every year. That's why we need to be prepared for the safety of every family. Even before the typhoon enter our land, we have to reinforce the parts of the house that may be flown away by strong winds. Monitor weather reports. Be aware of evacuation orders. Prepare a go bag with non-perishable food, water, clothing, and emergency kit, with first aid supplies, medications, flashlight, batteries, and a whistle for signaling. Have enough food in the house so you don't have to go outside in case of flood. During typhoon, it is advised to stay indoors and avoid going outside unless absolutely necessary. Do not walk in floodwaters to avoid diseases. After the typhoon and flood, it's still important to stay cautious. Once it is safe, inspect your property. Avoid contaminated water and contact local authorities to report any damage and seek assistance if needed. Finally, begin the cleanup process. Ensure debris removal, disinfection, and restoration. Preparedness and vigilance are keys to ensuring our safety during these natural events. Isang paalala para sa ating lahat. Stay safe, everyone!